What's good, guys? It's Copy. Back with another video, as usual, every Tuesday. And we finally got the M3 lowered, so we're here to test out the handling. There's a lot of traffic, so we can't go too crazy, but it definitely rips. It definitely handles better. I'm on the same ball tires that I've been on, but it actually grips now. See how it takes bumps. Oh, okay, not too bad. I miss the days back when Mulholland didn't have bumps, but obviously it is for safety measures, so it's understandable. Good news, guys. Almost all the equipment is ready. So I have my recorder that already came delivered. We have a new GoPro case attached as well, so hopefully the video is a tad bit more stable. And the microphone should be coming by next week. So get ready for some high quality audio videos of this car, because videos really don't do this car justice. I can't push it, man, these bumps. Fine. Guys, another cool thing, my mechanic told me this while he was installing my springs and spacers, is I have stainless steel brake lines in the front, and I ordered front and rear ones because I was planning on replacing them, but I guess I already have them in the front, which is pretty cool. And now that I mentioned it and I focus on it, I realize, oh, okay, my car does brake better. That's patrol, I think. If you guys are planning on getting springs or coilovers for your car, highly recommend. I went with Ibrock Pro springs, and it's called the Ibrock Pro Kit, and I put them on my Miata back when I had one. It didn't make a crazy difference on the Miata because it was already a very low car, but dude, the second I sat in the M3 afterwards, night and day. It's insane how much more stiff this car is. I can only imagine how good this car will be on good tires. But I am kind of scared because it might get dangerous from how well it grips, I might just push the car to its absolute limits, and that's not really the smartest thing to do. Trust me, I know from experience. Guys, I think after around 6 months of posting, once we reach that mark, I might actually look into, you know, getting a sort of like a YouTube mentor. That way we can like kind of skyrocket and see how that will help. But for now, it's very much just trial and error, and I am learning a lot. Oh man, are we cooked. It's a 39-minute drive home, guys. This is not gonna be fun. I guess I'll just end the video right here, guys. It's a nice little short one. Just wanted to hop on here, you know, let you guys know, hey, I got the springs. If you guys are ever planning on getting springs or coilovers, do it 100%. It'll change the feel of your car completely, and you'll feel a lot more engaged with your car as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'm very excited for next week's video. The microphones should be delivered to my house by then, and that one should be a banger. So again, thank you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Copy out.